Well, good morning, everybody. Nice to see you again. This morning, I'm headed off to do a main line here in Nashua, New Hampshire. So stay tuned, wish me luck, and I sure hope to see you at the end of the video. Thanks! Hi, good, how are you?
Good. I'm just gonna vacuum, so imagine the floor is a vacuum. Close enough, right?
Alrighty, let's take
peek.
peek.
You need to see the bathroom or the basement? All the pipes are overhead in the basement.
Okay, so let's take a peek at both. We'll start downstairs and then we'll come up here and take a peek.
So this is the toilet, and that doesn't seem to be working very well. Obviously, it's dripping.
Okay.
Because it's clogged. This is the sink.
Okay.
Also, I think it's clogged somewhere in this realm, past the tub, because if I keep flushing the toilet, it'll back up into the tub.
Okay.
So I think it's somewhere in this section. I don't know exactly where.
Okay.
That's the kitchen sink right there. That works fine.
Okay.
So it's pre this point, and my son is potty training. We use a shitload of the toilet paper. I feel like that might be it. We snake the toilet a bunch of times. We plunge. We use Drano. We put it down the tub. We put some kind of green, whatever the hell it is, thing from Home Depot.
Okay.
And on the toilet twice. Nothing.
Do you have a an upstairs bathroom?
Yeah. Well, there's only one floor. It's the one bathroom. It's that one. Yeah. So it's just this. This is all.
So there's only one bathroom.
There's one bathroom. There's a half bath way down there, which the toilet was leaking. It started to smell, so we actually just demoed it yesterday and took the toilet off. I don't know if it's related that there's no toilet on there and it's just rags stuffed in the hole.
I don't think that that's related because then your kitchen sink could be backing up as well.
That's what I would.
Because it's down that way, right?
Well, yeah, it's way over here. Yeah.
Okay.
It's like really close to the main where it goes out of the house.
I'm just checking pitch.
I know. Everybody comes in there like it's just a little, like it could be a little more.
Right. That and I want to make sure that there's no blisters in the bottom. Actually, it doesn't look bad, to be honest with you.
Yeah, we bought
unless they just
a year ago
painted
and they inspected. They did replace this. This is new, so that's about it though.
Yeah, there is some paint marks on here. You could tell that they painted the pipe.
Okay.
Probably to hide some blistering.
Of course. That would be these people's style. The people who had it before. Oh yeah.
So let's go upstairs. We'll take a peek in the bathroom. Yeah. I may just end up, because I have a piece of equipment that I can do it right from here. Okay. Believe it or not, I can do it. I could probably do it right from there.
So sweet, right?
And then I don't have to pull your toilet. Alrighty. So this backs up directly into here.
Yep.
Whenever you flush it.
Yep.
Just because I have to.
Yeah, it takes a few times. Sometimes we were running that, and it's just.
Well, that just backed up just there.
Yeah. But if you were to run the tub, it'll stop there too, and then it would come up here too, even the sink. If you run all of it. The only thing about the sink is it's got like the seal here is not good, so then it links down there.
Oh my goodness, you poor thing.
I know, right? I feel like we have so many fucking problems. Like I said, we did the kitchen sink, that was all messed up. We got that pipe replaced. Now we're gonna work on this. The laundry machine's fucked up. That bathroom.
So this is actually there's supposed to be a washer in between this and that and the tailpiece that comes down from the sink.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I think they call it a hi hat washer or a deep set washer.
Okay.
That's a simple. This
and
is a simple fix.
To do ourselves.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
That's a simple fix.
Yeah.
Oh, yep. It came up. Okay.
So that's right. Would that make sense that it's a little further down than the...
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
All right.
That's the case. So I think what I'll do is so that I'm not up here and I don't have to pull your toilet, I'll probably just do it, the equipment that I have, I can do it right from that smaller pipe. Awesome. And then you won't have to worry about anything up here.
Sweet, yes. I'll just take up another toilet that was a...
All right, guys. So we are going to do it from down here. And when she said her flange was leaking, or it's leaking from here, I'm assuming it's because they tried to plunge it and the wax ring blew. So we are going to do it from there, from that cap right there, which will make it much easier. See if we can get you guys a good spot to see everything. Or at least see my beautiful face. Alright. So I know we have this pipe here. That's where I'm going to go through. I'm going to go right through this seal here. The only problem is that if it's closer to the tub, which I think it might be, that is glued on. I'm going to have to pull our toilet. Because if it's backing up in the tub, but not here, it could be right in here. Because this has no pressure, so I would assume it's not here. It's probably going to be right here in that section. Alright, I'm going to have to pull our toilet. Which if it's leaking from there anyways, it's gonna be my best bet. So that way there I could just reseal it and put a new wax ring on it. Alrighty, honey, I lied. I'm gonna have to do it from your toilet.
Okay, all right.
Just because it's probably gonna be in between where your tub ties in and then where that other pipe that I was gonna go in, and I can't go back up that way.
Yeah.
But it will also be beneficial because if it is leaking from your toilet, from you guys trying to plunge it, you probably blew out the wax seal, so I can replace that at the same time.
Awesome. I was gonna say, can you replace that?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
awesome.
that's gonna be
Thank
at the same time.
Anything
So.
you need for me, like any buckets or anything? Or
No, I
is that
shouldn't
all
need
stuff?
anything. Yep, I have everything that I'm gonna need. I'm just gonna be in and out.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. This stuff. Vacuum out the back of the tank first. Just to make sure we get all the water out so that. Use a little bit of this to create a seal around the nozzle here. So that way there we can make sure that all the water is out, or as much as we can get out. Wing nuts on the, yeah. Why wing nuts, people? I'm gonna check and see why this bolt's loose. Hopefully the flange is okay. This one is too. Ask her if she wants me to change out these bolts. vacuum a little bit more and suck more out of that flange. Let's get some out of here. I'm gonna ask her if she wants me to change these bolts because they're kind of thin and they used wing nuts on them. Which they really shouldn't have wing nuts on the bolts. I don't think these are really gonna matter, but they're kind of flimsy, so. Just get rid of these. Come on, come out. Get rid of those. There's that one. Hopefully this is warm enough where it'll let me do my job. Okay. Oh, I didn't grab the foot pedal. That's okay. So you can use this with the foot pedal and you can use it without the foot pedal. So that's what's good about this drill. Okay, now it's on 3 and 2. Frozen. Water. I'm gonna have her flush the other bathroom. I don't know if you have a.
First moving, we screwed it up. When someone put a baby wipe down there and it was clogged, and then I don't know, it just eventually unclogged itself, but it probably just got stuck further down.
Right. Yeah. Whatever it was a little tough to get through it. Yeah, I pulled something else back too.
Oh, God. There's a lot of hair in there. Oh God.
What was I gonna say to you? Oh, do you have a market basket or a Shaw's bag?
Yes, I'm getting one.
Oh, tampons, honey.
Tampon?
Don't
You
flush
know what's crazy? I have an
those.
IUD and I haven't had my period in over a year, so that's somebody came over and did it.
Had to have been.
I haven't had a period
So,
since we moved
as
in
funny
this
as it's gonna sound, you can find them online. Find one of those super cute, like, hey, don't flush your down my
Yep.
toilet, and
house.
yeah.
Yeah, I haven't had my period since before we moved in here, so that's somebody else.
So yeah, there's a couple in here.
What?
That's what's on the end of
Are
this.
they possible from the people who lived here before? There was a young girl that lived here before.
Well, these are kind of clean,
So
so
they've got to be in the past few
if it was a while ago, it would be black like this.
Oh, it's probably one of my sisters. I said send a nice text out everybody. Must be especially fucking damn fun stuff.
So
I throw them away. I grew up with a septic tank, so I've always thrown them away. I've
Right.
never flushed them.
yeah,
Yeah, I'll have to get a sign.
they make really cute ones that are
Yeah.
like kind of
So
offensive,
we
but
have
not at the
parties.
same time.
Yeah, because we have parties with like a lot of people that come over, and yeah, that's
Right,
great,
you
yeah.
don't want to keep this happening.
And
You don't want to
we-
have this.
And we purposely, like, we don't, my mom's like, leave paper towels for people with dry their hands. I'm like, no, because they're going to flush them down the toilet and then we're going to have a clog. So
Exactly.
I just leave them in here. You can use a towel or you can, I don't care what the fuck you do, but don't put it down my toilet.
Right, exactly. Yeah, so I would just get I did one at this cute little boutique. It's like a yoga shop type
Yeah.
salon.
Yeah.
And they found these cute little gray ones. They're gray and white, but they say like
Yeah.
flush all your problems except for your tampons and your ex-boyfriends down our
Yeah,
toilet.
and baby wipes.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So-
You put it right in the toilet, yeah, because we have like a decent amount of like parties, like kids, you know what I mean?
Right.
People over.
With
so.
adults and things like that. Yeah, so.
Oh my god.
And I'm
Get
sure-
to a bag though, to
Yeah.
make sure that's not blocking. Oh god.
Clean up some of my mess here. Reset the toilet. And we should be good. Always put the wax on the flange first, not the way that the directions say it. The directions on the box tell you to put it on the bottom of the toilet. That's just kind of dumb. Because then you take a risk, and you risk it falling off, and then it doesn't seal properly, and it's just a mess. And I don't want to deal with that. You don't want to deal with that. None of us want to deal with that. There's one, and two. One and two. Open up the new caps. These caps are cool. Tab side down so that you can just tab side where that little tab is goes inside the hole here so that you could just twist this on. The metal washer and stuff go up in here. So it's plastic on the porcelain. So like this. Plastic on the porcelain. Like so. Tabs in the groove. Metal washer. And then the nut. You don't want to tighten it down too much because you don't want to take a chance on cracking the porcelain. Just enough so it don't wobble. And these, like I said, screw on. just like so. Makes it much easier if you have to pull the toilet, or even if the homeowner wants to clean it, they don't take a chance on breaking the caps. And again, I try my hardest not to make a mess, but if I do, I clean it. Alrighty. Alrighty, everybody. That does it for that one. I hope you watched all the way to the end, and if you did, thank you so much. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when we're posting new videos, and it also lets YouTube know that you're loving them. So, as always, be amazing, and see you next time. Bye!